How to use product diversification to supersize your business in 4 simple, easy steps. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. We're talking about the 4th in our top 20 strategies to supersize and grow your business. This is actually another one of my favorite strategies, product diversification. So what are the 4 steps to achieve and use this strategy if you've maybe never used it before, or maybe you're using it and you want to check and make sure that you're not missing anything? Well, the first one, of course, is market research. Why? Because we want to research and do a little bit of investigating. There's no excuse nowadays with the internet to not research things. Now, again, with anything else, take it with a grain of salt. The information that you find, remember the sources on the internet, just like the media and everything else. If you're asking an expert, they're giving you their version of and their reaction and their perspective on a particular topic. It's why we read more than one book on a topic, because we want to get a lot of different opinions on it, or on how to implement something, not just one. So what are the 4 simple steps to do this? Number 1, market research. We want to identify, are there any gaps in the market? Are there any places that we can offer solutions or fill in that other people or competitors aren't already doing? Are there gaps in our products and services that we could be improving? Secondly, we want to prototype and test. Now, I love being an engineer by trade and by profession for a lot of years by training. I like to tweak and test and continuously improve things. So, for example, in my Italian food manufacturing business, we had our core offering, our core products that we provided all the time to people, but I was continuously working with R&D and in the kitchen myself, because I love to cook and bake and things, testing different formulas, testing different flavors, testing different possible products that we could offer. Sometimes we offered them seasonally. Sometimes they became a part of our regular product line for a few years. Sometimes we were always changing the ancillary products and services that we offered and diversifying our products to appeal to more people, more customers than our usual fan base, our usual customer base. And I will admit, my very favorite ravioli that I ever created was a chocolate pasta with caramel inside and a caramel drizzle topping. It wasn't really a ravioli per se, but it was a ravioli because it was a pasta type flavored dough with a filling in it, which is the definition of ravioli. So we always want to be testing and tweaking and prototyping and having a group of people that we can test our products and services on. I had a couple of customers that I sold business to business that would always sell and give me information and feedback from customers on the different flavors and different things that we did in that business. Step 3 is always feedback and iteration, which I think I just touched on. We have to have a way to know how people are responding to the product versions that we're putting out there. I always like to have feedback loops. We talked about that yesterday in my organization, so that I have automatic ways of getting information and feedback and collecting that information so that we can analyze it and use it to make better decisions in the future. And then finally, step 4 is, of course, to launch and market the new products or service, or the variation of the product or service that we're offering. And we do that through, standard procedures of marketing and launching, right? There's all different ways you can launch a new product. Sometimes we do a soft launch to our existing customers. Sometimes we do a full-blown advertising and marketing launch, and this is brand new and innovative, and we want to make a big amount of noise about that particular strategy. So again, product diversification, 4 simple steps: market research, prototyping and testing, feedback, and iterations, meaning we get feedback and this is what people like, this is what they didn't like, so we're going to tweak our product just a little bit. And then finally, 4th, launch and market. I am curious if anybody would like a top 20 strategies checklist. I actually brainstormed this and created it in the beginning of the year, and so I'm going to go through the 20 days. But if anybody would like a copy of this checklist, put in the comments below or direct message me, and I will make sure that you get one. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow with top 5, the 5th top strategy in our top 20. Again, this is my order. They're different for each and every one of us, what we like and what we don't like, what fits with our business and what doesn't fit with our business. But I have tried all of these strategies and had some success with some, tremendous success with others, and very little or no success with some of them. And I'll tell you what those are as I go through them. Have an awesome day. I'll of course be with you tomorrow.